welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to learn how to change the default browser in the macOS. So if you have just shift from the Windows, then you might get a bit of uneasy to use the Safari browser in the place of the Chrome or Firefox, whichever you are using in the Windows. So we are going to change the default browser and set it to as Chrome. At first, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the browser which you want to set as default. So in my case, this is the Google Chrome, and I want to set this browser as the default browser. So for that, at first you need to go to the settings, and after that you will see this desktop and dock, and now you need to scroll down a bit, and down here you will see this default browser option. So just click on this Safari and set it as the whichever browser you want. So for now I'm going to set it as the Google Chrome. So that is it. Now your default browser is Google Chrome, and whatever link, whatever sites you are going to open, that will be open in the Google Chrome. So in this way you can change your default browser setting in the macOS. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll make such video if you like, share and subscribe my channel. See you guys in the next video. Until then, signing out.